Welcome everyone. I am Shubham from Henry Harvin Education. I hope everyone is safe and doing great. So today we have a very special guest, a Nobel Art Competition winner 2021, Ms. Shagun Azad, who is very close to us and who is also a student of Henry Harvin Education. I would like to welcome you, Ms. Shagun, and congratulations for your great success.
Thank you so much for the lovely introduction, and thank you so much for the achievement praising and everything you have done. So, as you all know, as Sir has already said, I am Shagun Azad. Well, about myself, I am born and brought up in Delhi, and I'm located currently in Gurgaon. I am basically a content writer, wholesome and professionally, and I'm also a content strategist, also having my expertise in content marketing. Well, you can also call me as a creative diva because many a times there are a lot of creative ideas which keep on bubbling in my mind. So that's how my hands keep on moving, right? So that is the reason that I chose writing as a perfect form of art. And honestly, about myself, I feel I'm an open-minded person and very receptive. That is the reason that today I am a writer. Thank you.
That's really great. So could you please elaborate yourself, like, for what is your professional background?
Sure, definitely. So, from the last 25 years, I've gained quite a good expertise in different domains. So, I basically am from commerce stream, and then I graduated from Delhi University, pursued economics honors, BA economics honors, and after that, I did my master's in general management. So basically, how did writing come into my life? I would like to share that. So it's been 3 years now that I have been writing. One day, actually, I was doing my internship, and the boss came to me and told me to write an article about digital marketing. And it was just a small piece, but he was really appreciated it. And then I got another opportunity, and he gave me the opportunity to write a blog on the topic of the woman's aspiration and how women can enter the workforce in the new digital media era. So I wrote the blog, and it was my first blog that got published on the website. So from there on, my journey began, and there's no looking back since that day. So after that,
That's really
I
great.
joined Mylon Care, which is basically a fintech industry. Yeah. And thereby there I worked, in content writing, content marketing, SEO, digital marketing, and much more. And I am currently a freelancer writer with WE Era, which is basically a company based in Jaipur.
Okay, that's really great. Shagun, which course you have enrolled?
Okay. So, as Henry Harvin, we know is a perfect institution, and it's definitely a very good institution for writing. Students from different domains can choose as per their own interest. So, the course which I have enrolled in is digital content writer. The reason I chose this course is because I believe it's very important to upscale yourself as per the current industry trends. And I believe that this is a perfect course and it's giving me all what I want and a promising future ahead.
It's really great. So, could you please explain about your achievement and the competition?
Sure, sir. So one day I was just scrolling through social media on Instagram and I came across a post of Noble Art. So the website reads as nobleart.in. It's specially featured competition based website which gives opportunity to budding writers. Like anyone can
Okay.
take part in it. Mostly a writer, a person who is professional, a person who is unexperienced, anybody. So thereby I filled the form, I did my registration, I took part in it. And after a few days, the results came and it was announced that I'm one of the winners. So it was a very proud moment and happy moment for me because it was a national level competition in which 200 aspirants and even more than that participated.
Okay.
And there were three ranks, so I came in top three. So I got the rank three, and my article named "A Man in Search of Home" got published. So basically, it was not an ordinary article. It got published and featured in the magazine of Noble Art itself. I personally interviewed that man, a 60-year-old something man, and it's based on a real life story about his aspiration, talking about the suppressed generation, which we which is ignorant, which we don't talk about. So I wrote a real life story, and that was definitely appreciated, and I won the prize. Thank you.
That's really great. That's really great.
Thank
So, as you have enrolled with us for digital writing course, so how was your experience? How was the training?
So the training is fantastic. I really love it. So my trainer is Tarita ma'am basically, and she explains us every concept in detail, and she makes sure that every student is learning everything point to point. Plus, there are regular practical assignments. We also have ongoing internships along with the course. So all in all, it's a complete package. Everything is being delivered to us. All we have to do is give back by our good performance. And also the relationship manager, Miss Malini, she's also very supportive and always there whenever we have any kind of queries or doubts. The relationship managers are there, the trainers are always there to solve the doubts, the customer support number is there. So all in all, it's a very good system. And even the LMS account, if ever I have to go back and read a concept, I can always go back and watch the video again. So this is a very good point. So it's not a one-time thing, and it's a lifetime access that I have. So I can go back and watch the updated lectures anytime. So it is very helpful for me and keeps me
That's
going.
really great.
Yeah.
That's really great.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? What is your success mantra?
Okay, well, my success mantra, interesting question. Thank you for asking. My success mantra basically is don't stop, keep going. Really. So I want to elaborate on it. It's actually like many times what happens, we all stop ourselves by one factor called as resistance. That, oh, I don't know what is going to happen. What if it doesn't work? What will people think? What if I fail? But in my case, I tap onto every single opportunity and I create doors for new opportunity as well. So that is what how I applied in noble art, and I'm also taking part in another competition. I am bold, fearless. I do not care about the result. All I know that I'm doing this, I'm going ahead. I have to do. When it comes to writing, I am going ahead. There were a lot of people who stopped me. The article is not good. You need to edit. It's wait on. Are you serious? Are you going? But I did not get influenced by anyone, and I went ahead. So that is my mantra: keep going, keep moving, and just do not stop. You will
That's really
achieve
great. That's
success.
really
Yeah,
great.
thank you.
That's really great. And the last part, I just want to know what will be your advice for future aspirants?
Okay. So as far as the future experience is concerned, I definitely think upon growing up my skills even more, and Henry Harvin is giving me that opportunity. And my future is that I would like to open my own content writing consulting agency one day, and that is what I see that I can fulfill this dream somehow. So yeah, definitely I want to write as much as I can, and my genre is definitely creative writing itself. So after writing in the few years, I've come to know that creative writing is my niche for sure. And I would like to choose self-employment and doing something of my own. I guess this is what I see myself, and this is what my pathway is.
That's really great. It was
Thank
really
you.
great to talk with you, Shagun. Wish you all the best. Hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot. Stay safe.
Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you.